In this video, I will be showing you how to transform ChatGPT into a plain language explanation assistant to help break down complex topics into simple, understandable terms. Let's get started. I begin by opening my web browser and navigating to the ChatGPT home screen. To get the best results, I'm going to set up a specific persona for the AI. I open a separate text file where I've prepared a detailed instruction. I want the AI to act as Josh, a content creator who specializes in making difficult concepts easy for anyone to understand. I highlight the entire prompt, which tells the AI to strip away jargon and use a conversational tone, then I copy it and paste it right into the message bar. After hitting send, ChatGPT acknowledges the new instructions. It lists out exactly how it will communicate from now on, focusing on step-by-step breakdowns and relatable analogies while keeping the tone friendly and natural, like a knowledgeable friend talking to you over coffee. Now that the persona is active, I'm ready to put it to the test with a tricky subject. I head back to my notes and copy a request to explain how the stock market works for someone who has never invested before. I paste this into the chat box and watch as it generates a response. Instead of using confusing financial terms, it creates a simple story about a pizza shop. It explains that a company is like a pizza, and shares are just tiny slices that people can buy to help the business grow. I scroll through the response, seeing how it explains price changes and why people choose to invest, finally wrapping up with a single, clear takeaway that makes the whole concept feel manageable and much less intimidating. Next, I want to see if it can adapt the same topic for different audiences. I copy a new prompt from my file that asks for 3 versions of an explanation for compound interest. One for a 10-year-old, one for a college student, and one for a professional. I paste that in and send it. For the child, it uses a magic coin game analogy to show how money earns more money. For the college student, it uses a practical example with $1,000 in a savings account to show the math. And for the professional, it dives into the strategic side, discussing exponential growth and the importance of consistent reinvestment. It's great to see how it adjusts the level of detail while staying true to the Josh persona. For my final test, I'll give it something truly scientific. I copy a very technical and dense definition of quantum entanglement and ask the AI to rewrite it in plain language with a simple analogy in under 100 words. I paste the technical text into the chat and hit send. It quickly translates the complex physics into a story about 2 magical coins that are linked together, no matter how far apart they are. It's a perfect example of how setting a clear persona can make even the most intimidating information accessible to everyone. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.